na. Wait, I'm so happy. Hi, Dennis! Hi, Dennis! Jump! Jump! Oh my God! Jump! Hi to my vlog.
Hello! Hello, Gastadorta!
Wow! Music video. Kung ako na lang sana yung mina. Oh my God! Hi!
Anak, nag-glass na kayo, Aya?
Wah! Lumaki siya, no? Uy!
Ayan na, baka na mukha, wala kaya.
Yung isa nakikiano. Matanda na.
Ano to?
Hindi siya.
Kay Joyce po yan.
Alin? Wala. Tumae. Say hi to my vlog. Yummy. Say hi, vlog.
Ay,
Good. Hi, vlog.
Ay, Gastadora! Abala pa eh, hindi nga kami dapat. Unboxing my gift from Joyce Caroline Barrias. Buuin pa.
Sabi niya.
Ano pa yung buuin to?
Tara. Medyo buo na siya, oh. Pero guguluhin po natin siya, tapos bubuuin ulit. Para fun.
Para daw mabuo.
Nasa electric fan, tapos may bowl of ice. Very spoiled ang baby Dallas. Hi! 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 Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Jay! Happy birthday! Magpataba, Jay!
Inilaw ko lang siya. Yummy! Uod yan eh. We are removing the puzzle so we can remake it.
Vlog!
Oh.
Dapat talaga sa likod. Oo. Kasi,
Tapos ito yung isa. Heart, Mama Bess. Yes, perfect. The weather is really nice. It's not that cold, not that hot, windy, not sunny. I love it. Bye-bye! Thank you po sa pansit! Bye, baby! So cute, SM Mega Mall. Oh, see, it's moving. Cute. My God, nasa Dubai pa lang ako. Pinag-uusapan na namin ni Mama to.
ano naman yung ano? Yung halo.
Cute. It's so cute. Frankenstein is so cute. We will try the churro donut. Yeah! Churro donut. White chocolate, dark chocolate, and caramel. I like dark. I don't like caramel.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Basic donut. Of course, the chocolate is nice. White and dark. This is kinda basic. Ang churro? Parang hindi. It's technically bread with cinnamon.
Cinnamon donut.
Parang siyang ano, yung bread na may not even donut, parang bread.
Bread
Na
yan
may cinnamon and
cinnamon
sugar.
and sugar.
But with the dip, I mean, yeah.
Para sa pinasusunod na bitso-bitso.
Oo. Oo. Pero mas it's not something, yeah, overhyped. Okay, now we're gonna go to the restaurant and eat. We will go eat. Naging puno yung abe. Kumakain na sila, sorry. Natagalan. Patapos na kayo.
Meron dito? Masarap ba? Wow!
Kanina pa. We rate Abe 6 out of 10. Service is fast. As you can see, the stuff is nice. But the food quality, I don't know. I mean, look at the, what's that? Lumpiang gulay.
Iba pa yun.
Jun, say hi. Say Pogi.
Ayoko ng isda eh.
Pogi.
Pogi.
Yes. Followed.
Bakit ang taas agad ng episode?
Yes, followed. Episode ko yun sa buhay ko. 22 years old, 194 days.
Dapat simulan mo ng tama yung sa vlog.
May follow. Lolo Jun, follow mo ko. Walang makita. Sino yan?
Ha?
Sino yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Bakit? Lolo Jun. Ayaw ang YouTube. O yan, follow mo, Lolo. Follow mo. Yan. Yes, approve. Lolo Jun, sa'yo approve. Wait, ikaw na. Very good. Po. May sounds yan. Happy 10 subscribers! We're doing grocery. Grocery. Okay, we got all the goodies here. Bye. Bye. Good night. Thank you very much. Unpack the groceries. Tissue, of course. Page is my hangers. 5 hangers. We will put that in the rack. Hold on. And last.